You welcome to English Classroom. Yeah, you will meet me again, always with me on Tuesday, 20 October 2020. And then the last meeting, we have studied about the invitation letter. And then now we are going study about personal letter. Yeah. Personal letter. Have you ever sent a personal letter before? Have you ever sent? Pernah kalian mengirimkan surat pribadi?
Belum.
Belum. Kalau menerima surat undangan pernah? Pernah Sulis menerima surat undangan?
Tapi bukan ke saya.
Ya, undangan ulang tahun mungkin gitu, undangan pernikahan. Last meeting we have studied about the invitation letter, and then today we are going to study about personal letter. Actually, in this personal letter, you have to in the personal letter, you can send to your parents or your sibling or friend maybe. Yeah, this is the personal letter. But I know in this nowadays, the someone or the people is not use a personal letter again. But there is WhatsApp, email or telegram, so this personal letter is right to do it. Okay, in this personal letter kita masuk ngomong-ngomong tentang personal letter ini. Kalau misalnya zaman dahulu itu karena belum terlalu canggih bukan the industry 4.0, like this, like now, and we use the personal letter. We use a letter and then we post in the post office. So we need the personal letter. Dulu kalau misalnya zamannya saya itu ada pen pals, namanya itu sahabat pena sahabat pena. Jadinya kita di daerah lain itu punya sahabat pena, jadi kirim surat atau kirim dulu ada penyanyi cilik gitu dari majalah-majalah alamat rumahnya itu kita kirim surat terus dapat balasan itu kayaknya berarti banget gitu, suratnya masih ada surat dari teman-teman juga. Okay, as you know, the letter has three kinds of the letter. First, the business letter, and formal letter and informal letter. Kalau personal letter itu masuknya ke informal letter. Okay, before you study about the personal letter, you have to know the learning objective. Through the learning activities, students are able to berdasarkan kegiatan pembelajaran ini, siswa diharapkan bisa identify expression familiarity commonly used in personal letter. Jadi harus bisa mengidentifikasi kira-kira ungkapan apa nih yang biasanya digunakan dalam personal letter. And then, you have to analyze. Mohon maaf ini. Personal letter. This is the analyze social function, structure text, and language feature in the personal letter. And then to practice writing a personal letter. Yeah, wait a minute. This is analyze. Yeah, next. Identify expression familiarity commonly used in personal letter, analyze social function, structure text, and language feature in personal letter, and to practice writing a personal letter. Ya, jadi diharapkan setelah pembelajaran ini you have to write a personal letter. Okay, next. Okay, this is the example of the personal letter. Ya, next the address Pramuka Street, Rajabasa Permai, number 5 Persik, Rajabasa, Bandar Lampung. Ya, biasanya ini the sender of the letter. And then January 18, 2015. Dear Dila, it feel like it has been such a long time since the last time we got together. I know it is only been several weeks. We spent our holiday. How have you been? Yeah, I still remember we spent our last holiday at the beach. I was surfing. Unfortunately, you weren't brave enough to do it, so we decided to snorkel. Anyway, how about our Centelles we made? Can you visit it for me? I really enjoy spending my time with you. Hope next holiday we will get together again. Now the holiday has gone. But to normal activity again. Hey Dil, I have just resigned from my company. I feel that it's not my place to want to work, so now I make an ice cream myself. I drive an ice cream truck around and sell it to the kids and kindergarten and elementary school. I really enjoy my activity. You have known that I love ice cream and kids. I'm not too great, but I love my job. Later, I try to make an educational comics for them. I have worked with my friends who are capable on it. You have great activity too. I really don't know the atmosphere of college where you are studying. I hope someday you will invite me to visit your colleague. Hey Dil, whenever you are free, just send me back about your activity there. I really miss you. Anyway, thank you for the fail. I love it. Your friend Aprilia. Okay, based on this, what is it? This a personal letter. Ya, setelah kamu baca, after you read this personal letter, what do you get in this personal letter? Apa yang kamu dapatkan? What is personal letter talking about? Ayo, what is personal letter talking about? Ini membicarakan tentang apa? Personal letternya membicarakan tentang apa, Sulis? Halo? Sulis? Halo? Mana ini TKR? Halo, Sulis? Masih bisa denger nggak? Sulis? Kamu kok nggak ada suaranya sih? Ya, personal letter. It's talking about the last holiday. Ya, the last holiday. Okay. You can identify expression in the personal letter. Ya, first, this is the salutation. Salutation you you can use dear, dearest, sweetheart, darling, my dear, my love, and etc. And salutation depend on how well you know the person you are writing. Ya, jadi salutation atau kalimat pembuka ini itu tergantung bagaimana kamu mengenal orang yang kamu tuliskan suratnya. And then starting the letter is it opening, ya. I call it opening. You can say, how are you? Hope this letter find you. Thank you for your last letter. It was so good to hear from you. Sorry for answering late. Haven't heard from you in a while, so I thought. Ya, this is the starting the letter. Biasanya sering gak ketemu lama. How have you been? Long time no see. Ya, and how's everything? Ya, you can say like that. And then after that conclusion. Kalau isi surat itu bermacam-macam ya, tergantung. This is depend on the person you are writing about. And then conclusion, I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. My best wishes for the coming test. See you, I will write soon. I'm writing quickly. Looking forward to seeing you again. Bye. Yeah. You can say this is about the conclusion. And then, yeah. The closing, you can say yours. You can say yours, sweet love, sincerely yours, all the love, all the best, affectionately, much love, or best wishes. Di sini, this is optional. You can use it. Next, after that, okay, what is personal letter? The social function of the personal letter. First, personal letter are letters that are written to people we know, such as friends, siblings, parents, and conclusion. This is the definition of personal letter. And then, personal letter, it's not only written to inform, but to strengthen to bond between two people or more. Yeah, this is the social function. And then the generic structure, or we can call it the part of the letter. Address, date, salutation, and name, opening of the letter, body of the letter, closure, complimentary close, a signature, and name of sender, and postscript. Ini signature, and name of sender. Next, okay, you can look at here. This is the example of the personal letter, and then the part of letter. This is the address, address, and then date. Don't forget to do date, 12 January 2014. And then salutation. You can say my dear city. My sweetheart city, you can say like that. This is salutation, atau kita biasa sebut salam pembuka. Then greeting, salam, boleh dipakai atau tidak. And then introduction, how are you sweetie? I know you are angry with me because, this is, what is it? This is, you can call it opening, opening of the letter. And then the body of the letter, content of the letter, or we call it the body of the letter. And closure, closure itu biasanya penutupnya. Salam penutup, complimentary close, or we can say closing, lots of love. This is signature, and then the name of the sender. And PS, I'm bringing you a lot souvenir and picture, postscript, PS itu postscript. Jadi kayak ada note, catatan khusus. Okay, next, the language feature or linguistic feature, that is the structure and style. Okay, the structure, You can write in based on the accuracy, grammar is important. And second, complete sentence are expected. And slang word can be used. Yeah, you can use the slang word. And then use the construction such as I'll, I'm, will. Yeah, and then use personal pronouns such as I, we, you. And use active voice. Ya, biasanya menggunakan kalimat aktif. And the style, yeah, the style of the personal letter language. Use maybe personal letter like first and second person pronoun. And be warm, and then use the personal name you are writing to. And vary sentence length, biasanya diperpanjang. And write is natural conventional style. I'm so sorry, this is the typo. Wait a minute. Yeah. And then the last, let your personality shine through in your writing. And this is style, the language feature or linguistic feature in the personal letter. And then the last, please try to make a personal letter for your friend, and then send your letter to Google Classroom. Okay, finish. That's all for me. Is there any question? Is there any question? Sulis, Rijal, Wahid. Ya, terakhir please try make a personal letter for your friends. Silakan buat surat ya, surat untuk teman kalian. Temanya terserah tentang liburan atau tentang kegiatan kalian sehari-hari atau dalam sekarang masa pandemik ngapain aja ya. Tolong buat surat personal letter, surat pribadi untuk teman kalian ya, terus tulis di folio dan kirimkan di Google Classroom. Ya, is there any question? Ada yang ditanyakan sampai sini? Halo? Ini nggak ada suaranya sih, Rijal, Sulis?
Gak ada, Miss, gak ada.
Iya, Miss.
Udah ya, nanti di Google, saya taruh di Google Classroom, terus tolong buat, sekarang kan masih ada waktu nih, kalian masih ada waktu, berapa nih? Masih lama, sekarang masih 10.38, tolong dikerjakan, terus dikirimkan hari ini juga, ya nanti saya akan kasih tanggal dikirimkan hari ini juga, ya, oke, please.
Miss.
Ya.
Susunannya itu kayak greeting card apa kayak pesan surat kayak biasanya gitu, yang kayak sekolah gitu.
Kayak surat. Kayak surat ini kan tadi kan udah susunannya. Ini kelihatan kan?
Kelihatan.
Nih. Yang ini. Ya, jadi ini ada surat ini kan, kalau misalnya perbedaan business letter sama informal letter. Kalau business letter jelas dia ada head of the letter ya, heading of the letter itu ada kepala suratnya. Kayak misalnya kalau instansi kan ada Yayasan Putra Pakuan, terus alamatnya apa, emailnya apa gitu. Tapi kalau personal letter ini kan informal letter, dia tidak harus ada itu, tapi susunannya harus seperti ini, harus ada tanggal, terus alamatnya, tujuannya ke siapa gitu. Ya. Oke, jelas?
Jelas, Miss. Nanti sekalian dikirim ya PPT-nya di Classroom.
Iya, Iya, nanti PPT-nya dikirim di Classroom. Sekarang back to the Classroom ya. go to your classroom. Oke, nih. Ini saya buka nih. Sorry. Kita classroom bahasa Inggris. Tugasnya belum dikerjakan yang kemarin, expression of invitation. Tuh, dikerjakan. Personal letter. Yang pertama, please make a personal letter to your friend. Second, write down on folio paper. Terus send to Google Classroom. Ya, batasan waktunya hari ini. Terus saya kasih waktu sampai jam 16.00. Ya, dikerjakan hari ini juga. So sorry. Personal letter. Ya, oke. Finish. Ya, thank you for your attention and your participation. Don't forget to do your personal letter. Ya, dikerjakan. Masih ada waktu karena masih banyak waktu sampai jam 11:30 ya. Sudah 11:30. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.